Beats by Nevs.
Hey everyone, Joffrey here and welcome back again to my channel where I review the latest and greatest gadgets and gizmos. Today, we are going to take a look at the new Honor X6A, a budget-friendly smartphone that was recently launched by Honor that offers a large display, a 50-megapixel main camera and a 5200 mAh battery with a price of 459 dirhams here in Dubai. But is this phone worth your money? Come on, join with me and let's find it out. But before that guys, if you are new here in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Let's get it started. Let's start with its display. The Honor X6A is a mid-range device that comes with a 6.56-inch TFT LCD display with a resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels and a 90Hz refresh rate and a pixel density of 269 ppi. The display quality of this phone is decent for this price range. The LCD display have lower contrast, brightness, and color accuracy than OLED display, and HD Plus resolution may not be very sharp or detailed on a large screen size. However, the 90Hz refresh rate is a nice feature that you can enhance the user experience and make the device more responsive and fluid. The bezels at the side and the bottom are a bit thick with 84.3% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by the MediaTek Helio G36, an entry-level CPU, which is a 12nm chipset with a clock speed of octa-core 2.2 GHz, paired with PowerVR GE8320 GPU. The CPU and performance of the Honor X6A are moderate for its price segment, but they are not outstanding or impressive compared to other smartphones that have more powerful and efficient processor. This CPU is designed for entry-level devices that mainly focus on basic tasks such as web browsing, social media, and casual gaming. The phone comes with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, which can be expanded via micro SD card. This phone runs on Magic OS 7.1, which is based on Android 13. The user interface is clean and simple with some customization options and features. Now moving on to the camera department. The Honor X6A consists of a triple rear camera setup and a single front camera. The main rear camera is a 50-megapixel sensor with an f1.8 aperture. The other two rear cameras are 2-megapixel macro camera and 2-megapixel depth sensor, both with f2.4 aperture. The rear camera can record videos up to 1080p at 30 frames per second. The front camera is a 5-megapixel sensor with an f2.2 aperture that can also record videos up to 1080p at 30 frames per second. The camera app offers modes like portrait, time-lapse, super macro, HDR photo, panorama, pro mode, and stickers. The battery capacity of the Honor X6A is 5000 mAh, which is above average for this segment. The phone supports wired charging of 22.5 watts, which is included in the box, which can charge the battery from 0 to 31% in 20 minutes as advertised. The phone does not support wireless charging or reverse wireless charging. This phone has a fingerprint scanner on the side that doubles as a power button. It has a dual SIM slot that supports 4G LTE networks and microphone for noise cancelling on top, USB Type-C port for charging, 3.5 headphone jack, speaker grill, and microphone at the bottom. This phone comes in three color options: Cyan Lake, Midnight Black, and Sky Silver. The phone measures 8.4mm thick and weighs 188 grams. The phone priced at 459 dirhams here in Dubai, or around 7,000 pesos in the Philippines, which is quite affordable for what it offers. Finally, the final verdict. But the question is, should you buy the Honor X6A? Well, that depends on your needs and preferences. This is a phone that does everything okay but nothing great. It's a phone that you can buy if you're on a tight budget and you don't care much about the bells and whistles of more expensive devices. It's a phone that you can use for basic tasks like calling, texting, browsing, and social media, but not for heavy gaming, photography, or multitasking. The Honor X6A is a phone that is good enough, but not great. It's a phone that's cheap but not cheerful. It's a phone that is average but not awesome. Alright guys, that's it for today's review of the Honor X6A. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.